Okay, we'll take a look here. This is the CN Tower in Toronto, Canada. This is over Lake Ontario, and we're assuming that the observer is in Niagara Falls, New York. Okay, so take a look at the height of the CN Tower. The total height is 1,815 feet. Okay, let's remember that. And the possible observation point across Lake Ontario from the other side here is about 31 miles. And if we go on Google Maps and check our distances, I wanted to find the shortest distance possible. You know, be real generous with this. I wanted to find the shortest distance possible. It's about 31 miles. Okay, and go to your Earth curve calculator, and you check out what the calculations would be for the globe Earth curvature would be 640 feet. So 640 feet. Now this is if you place the camera on the ground. This is from like a sea level observation, which we don't really ever do that, right? Let's say it's from a 6-foot tripod observation, you know, about 522 feet. Okay, so roughly 500 feet. Let's double check that on yet another Earth curve calculator. Yep, checks out 522 feet. So over 520 feet of curve should be present. And so we take a look here. From the very, very ground level to the tippy top of this thing is 1,815 feet, right? And to this observation deck in the middle here, where they do those death-defying skywalks that you see on YouTube, this is 1,150 feet, okay? So 1,150 feet here, the grand total of 1,815. So what would be a conservative 500-foot line, okay? It'd be a little less than what you got from the sea level to that observation deck, right? So what do we got? That's a conservative line. That's honestly a conservative figure. We're a little below the halfway point, so it's about a 500-foot line that's curvature that's supposed to be blocked out. Okay, again, let's look at his footage. Look at that. You really shouldn't be able to see much below this red line. Okay, if the Earth curve were there, if we had the circumference of 24,900 some odd miles, like NASA tells us, then this should be, you should have at about 500 feet, but you don't get anything. It's, I mean, you literally get zero. We don't really observe, not even a foot of curvature in this video, let alone 500 feet.